Yeah, yeah, yeah. Check the strategy, simple and clean. Pine tree in the building, the trading machine. I'm looking at the charts, not for no drama, just for that sweet setup. Call it the inside bar gamma. It's a tight squeeze, a moment of pause, breaking to the upside or the downside without flaws. It's my bread and butter, my daily routine, capturing them moves, living the dream. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Take Profit Trader, got my account on lock. Apex Trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Pinning trees on a roll, putting skills to the test. Yeah. See, the market's a jungle full of noise and of fakes, but I'm focused on the signals, for goodness sakes. That inside bar forms a sign of compressed mic. I wait for the breakout, then I'm in with all my might. Small moves, big impact, stacking every single day, cashing out that profit, there's no other way. They talk about the long game, the big wild swing, but I'm here for the consistency that daily payouts bring. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Take Profit Trader, got my account on lock. Apex Trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Pinning trees on a roll, putting skills to the test. Yeah, yeah. From the start of the session to the end of the line, I'm scaling and I'm swinging, making every penny mine. Don't need 100 points to feel a success, just a few ticks of profit to feel truly blessed. I'm a funded king with a plan so clear, no fear in this game, cause the strategy is here. Yeah, Monetary Trader, you know the name. Daily payouts, ain't it a shame that others are struggling, playing they silly games, while I'm on top, fueling the flames. Take Profit, Apex, my funded, yeah, you heard me right. Staying on that grind from the morning till the night, yeah. Daily payouts.
What is up? What is up? What is up? What is up? What's up? What's up, everyone? Let's see here. Yo, Corey. What's up, Corey? Trader 007 in the house. God. Slick Rick, the OC dog trainer. Slick Rick, how did we do? We did good today. Pretty good. It's Mo, bro. Yo, Trader Nice. Nas, what's up? James. Shown. Tried trading 10 minutes before close. I got cooked. Yeah, I've done. Dude, I have done that before. I've actually ruined a payout doing that. So I've been there. I've made every trading mistake you could possibly make in one time or another. I mean, it's insane. Microsoft dumping hard right now. Oh yeah, we had some earnings tonight. Yeah, we had some earnings. So we had Microsoft and Meta and Google reported after hours. So you think gold's gonna pump it open? Ready to getting your Apex ready? Let's go. Hey, Miss K, what is up? What is up? What's up? Today was pretty good, except the Influencer Cup. Yeah, the Influencer Cup didn't go so well. Pretty good though on so trade day ended up passing 2 of these bad boys. So these are passed. And then I got this one here that's almost passed. And yeah, all my funded accounts are green. So Tradeify, I got 5 Tradeify accounts. Those are all green, around $500 a piece. And then Lucid, right around $700 a piece on my Lucid accounts. But and yeah, so I was focused on that Influencer Cup thing, and it is not doing well, unfortunately. I have not blown the account, but it's hurting. I feel like I don't want to show my cards, but market's open, guys. Gap down. Get a bit of a gap down here. So here's the Influencer Cup right now. I'm currently sitting in 2nd place, but this probably is not going to be any. This is not going to be any longer. I'm still funded, but it's the account's hurting. So unfortunately, well, actually, I was sitting up in. Let me go back. Actually, that's the old picture. Oh, yeah, here's the new picture. So here's the new picture. So I was up $1,500 on day 1, and now Prolonged Wealth and Methodical are back in this funded leaderboard. But yeah, I took a pretty big hit, so I don't know if I can battle back from it. I'm gonna try though. I'm gonna try. I'm not giving up. Yeah, a bit of a gap down here on NasDaq. ES gap down. Gold. Looked like it had a little bit of a. I wasn't watching. But looked like it had a little bit of a gap down. Pushed straight back up on gold. NasDaq still an open gap up there. Pushing down here, NasDaq. Yo, A Patriots, what's up? Cody in the house. Honest take, yeah, I locked myself out too on my funded accounts as far as yesterday. Technically yesterday. So I locked myself out most of the day, which was nice. So I didn't get tempted to start trading FOMC, which is always a good thing, right? Yo, John, what's up? Daryl in the house. Jay Styles. It's just between us, Miss K. Yeah, I know. Oh yeah, it's hurting, Miss K. I don't have much drawdown left. I'm gonna try to bring it back though. I'm gonna try to bring it back. I haven't decided if I just want to like really like try to bring it back, or just stay funded and see if anyone else blows. But the competitor in me wants to finish first, right? I want to finish first. I mean, I don't really want to settle for third. If you ain't first, you're last, right? Gold minis? Oh, I can't even trade a mini. I mean, it's that low. It's that low. I mean, I might be able to bring it back with a micro, a few micros. If I could catch like a nice runner with a micro, I could bring it back. But I don't even know about doing it around Globex Open. I mean, perhaps Asia or Shanghai. I mean, you can make some serious bucks. You know, you can make $800-900 with a few micros if you catch the right moves. But yeah, it's tough. Bring it back. Autumn 9 in the house. Was down 900, finishing at 124. Profit at the end of the day. What a stressful day. Yeah, A Patriots. I mean, it's so mentally exhausting when you do that kind of stuff, right? So I was exhausted. I was trading last night late, that Influencer Cup thing. Because, like, here's the truth about the Influencer Cup. Like, you can't win by, like, you know, just making a scalp a day or something, you know. You can't win by, like, making $200-300. Now, you can win on prop firms making $200-300 a day consistently every single day. You can definitely win that way, but on that Influencer Cup, it's like, if you were going to do that, you should have done it right from the beginning, and I didn't, so that's okay. It was like, it's kind of like the first tournament that I've traded ever for, you know, especially for a whole month long. So there's only been 2 people that made it to the funded stage twice. That's me and Ike. Not exactly proud of that. I mean, I wish I would have kept the funded the whole time, but yeah, it's tough. I mean, because it's basically the way I've always described trading. It's just a me versus me battle. It has nothing to do with usually what's on the screens. It's just me fighting my own emotions when I'm trading throughout the day. And then when you're trading these competitions, now all of a sudden you're adding another element to it. Now it's like me versus the other competitors, versus the people watching. You know, it's like you're putting yourself out there. It's definitely screws your mind. Kind of wondering if we push up and fill that open gap up there. Tempted to try along, but pretty big candles right now. But overall, it's gonna open up bearish, very bearish. Yo, Design, what's up? Spaces in the house, what's up? Mosh, Tori Tan Lines, thank you. Appreciate that. Okay, turn the mic up a little bit. It's up all the way, actually. Yeah, it's up all the way. Yeah, I was speaking a little low. All right, that was really quick. I went on that momentum scalp up 98 bucks on that long. Looking just to fill that little open gap, which we just did. Well, pretty much. Not even quite on MNQ. Pretty much did it on NQ though. It's a quick little $100 there. So I need not much past this. What do I need? 230, right? Yeah. How hard can it be, James? I know. Yeah, exactly, Cody. All right, pushing up, kind of filling that open gap here. Took a little scalp to the upside. I basically just pushed the button real quick. Tried to hop in. I'll wait for another setup. Let's take a look at gold. Gold's kind of been the play. So I'm trading this. This is a trade day eval that I have almost passed. I actually passed one today. I actually have to flip this account. So let me flip this account real quick. Let's not do it with gold. Okay, I just flipped that account real quick. So this account is officially passed. So that's 2 trade day accounts, end of day accounts passed. You can have up to 3. This one I'm hoping to pass. We'll see. Any tips on how to trade with trailing drawdown evals? So what I like to do is trail my stop pretty quickly. That's what I like to personally do. It's kind of just trail my stop. Most trailing, intraday trailing evals, I try to pass them very quickly, to be honest. And so I'm usually in pretty heavy, and then I'm trailing my stop. If it goes my way, then I'm trailing my stop like very quick. Adding to my winner, trailing my stop, that kind of stuff. I'm gonna trade the old micros on gold. All right, watching gold here. Doing minis with the Apex evals, yeah. So like the less expensive evals, you know, I tend to trade much more aggressive. That's for sure. God, what is the catalyst that's gonna bring the NasDaq down, right? Like, what is the real catalyst? I mean, let's just take a look at the daily chart. All right, so today, big, huge doji candle, basically, right? We still have an open gap sitting down here at 25,700 to 25,572. It's like a 180 point gap or something like that. Yeah, absolutely insane. I'd be willing to bet that this does get filled eventually. I don't know when, but like I'm pretty sure that it's gonna get filled. Kind of thought maybe today could be the catalyst to bring it back down, but not yet. So Market just keeps going higher. Very bullish overall. This could be a bit of a topping pattern. Who really knows? I don't really know at this point. But we'll scalp in between. Yo, Adam Daz, what is up? Yeah, Smokey, I've heard that they're a little bit behind. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. I just want to get tired of it. It's too easy. Yeah, I know. Let's go, Gabriel. Yeah, so Tradeify right now, 25K, 50Ks, and 100Ks Lightning accounts, which is the straight to funded, on sale, 45% off. Really pretty good deal. You're not really going to see a better deal than that for straight to funded accounts from Tradeify. So a little Halloween deal going on. Use code PINE. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much, Gabriel. Yeah, awesome. Great deal. Also, yeah, Take Profit Trader still 40% off, no activation fee. Believe it or not, guys, that is a deal. The 40% off, no activation fee, it seems to be stuck around for a while. But that is actually a sale. All right, just watching NasDaq here, watching gold. Looking to possibly try to pass this account. It'd be sweet. Trade day is not an easy accounts to pass, just because you have to trade at 30%. So it's a little tricky. Yeah, no problem, Gabe. Appreciate you. Scared to long because of the rug pull, eventually scared to short because it's NasDaq. Well, you know the saying is, as far as the rug pull, it's like it's always good to be late to a bear party, they say. Right now, I mean, we kind of have to just trade what we see, and the market just does not want to quit. But yeah, it's, I mean, always smart to have those stops in place, right? But yeah, it's gonna come when you least expect it, for sure, just like last time. But yeah, imagine that big candle here was Powell speaking. So imagine this was Powell speaking here. Yeah, I really didn't watch it. I didn't want to mess up any of my accounts, so. Trump and Zai. I mean, yeah, Mo, bro. Yeah, that's true. I mean, yeah, if that's what it's gonna take, right? Some sort of tweet, like you said, the Chinese Trump meeting, something like that. Where's my brackets? All right, I'm short NasDaq. Micros. Tight stop. Closing out. I'm gonna re-enter here with my brackets. Watching gold here as well. Shorting gold. Shorting gold, short NasDaq. It's like NasDaq's not cooperating right now, but short gold. Gold's working okay right at the moment. What's up, Keegan? Up $100 right now with 2 micros on the gold. Let's go. Trailing my stop here. All right, locked in a little bit on the gold. Just back to the NasDaq. Only need like $120 to pass this account now. How hard can it be? Let's just, I'm not liking this trade right now. I'm just gonna close that out. I need $150 to pass this account. There's a nice gold trade with the micros. Wow. I wish I would have took that on the old trade day account. What's up, Fred? Yo, Sparta, helpful. Going good so far. Let's go, Thumper. Orlando in the house. Yeah, let's go, Orlando. Just made a quick 140 on 5 MGCs. Let's go. Am I bullish on gold? I just shorted it. Oh, I got two Gabriels. Oh, yeah, Father Powell, yeah. Oh, that sucks, Zaid. Missed it by 1.5 points. Satan saves lives. You can't pass an account. Oh, man. Yeah, it's tough. Sometimes. I have like a curse going on sometimes with evals. Hey, but you know what? Right now, you can get a straight to funded account from Tradeify. 45% off. Use code PINE. Don't even have to pass the eval. No, I'm just kidding. What a promo. Nah, honestly, like, it's not usually a good idea. Like, let's go, helpful. Yeah, TPT, I got three accounts funded right now. I haven't touched them. I have a plan for them. I'm not willing to reveal my plan though yet. It's secret. I've been backtesting this systematic strat that's when it wins big, but it's like a 24% win rate. But when it wins monstrous. Chris B in the house. I think I said what's up, Coach Fred. What's going on, Coach Fred? How much does the Tradeify accounts work? So it's straight to funded. So basically, they work just like any other funded account. Basically, you just automatically start working towards a payout with them. They are currently for a 25K. They're $191 for 25K. For 100K. They're $345 for 100K. 20% consistency. And with the payouts with Tradeify, it's basically with the Lightning accounts. You have to, so it's 90%. You get 90% once you get to a payout, so 90-10 split. It's 20% consistency. That's the kind of, that's the thing, right? It's the consistency is low. That's okay. I just got a 20% consistency payout for $3,000 on Lucid. Even though I did have someone troll me today and say I photoshopped it. That's what I woke up to this morning. Say I photoshopped my Lucid payout. I'm like, really? I'm like, yeah. I go, okay, buy my course, please. 25% for the second payout, 30% consistency on every payout after that. No minimum trading days. And basically, you have to get, let's just say a 25K, you got to get up to $1,500. And you can take out a $1,000 payout. I do believe. And that is the minimum payouts on the 25Ks. The 100Ks is a $2,500 payout. And you got to make $6,000. So no minimum trading days with the Lightning accounts for Tradeify. Yeah, no minimum days. It's just you got to stay under consistency, and yeah, no payout windows. Stay within consistency, and yeah, hit the profit goal on the Lightning accounts. On the other accounts, it's a little bit different, I believe. On the other accounts, but what's up, Nathan Thompson? I do sometimes, but every time I try to trade live during New York, it's just there's no one following me. There's no one watching. It's just kind of there's just so many other people on that the viewership is just so low, and so I just kind of focus on my own trading and try to you know, make money trading, you know, that way. But yeah, every once in a while. Oh, thank you, Hamid. Yeah, I appreciate you. Yeah, this is kind of like my time slot. It's just worked out that way, which is great. Although a lot of times I am a little tired when I'm hop on stream. This time, I actually took a little nap before this stream, so I'm good to go. Payout caps? I don't really know with Tradeify. They do have a live funded, I mean, a direct path to live. So if you request 4 payouts helpful, then they look to move you to live, I believe. But they have some nice bonuses too. So once you're in live, you can get bonuses, up to $1,000 on weekly bonuses, up to $4,500 on monthly bonuses, and up to $15,000 plus exclusive experiences, quarterly bonuses for the live traders. But it's got to be like, you got to be like one of the top performers. I honestly don't really know how much that works. So it says the maximum amount a trader can generate in a combined simulated funded payouts and the live transition is $100,000. If the trader balance is above this, the balance carried forward is still capped at $100,000. So yeah, pretty cool. It's actually got some pretty good information about going to live. I'll put the link in the chat. So that's for the going to live with Tradeify. So if you guys want to check that out. So if you're a savage trader and are interested, like thinking that they might put you in the live, take a look at that, because they will put you in the live with quite a few bucks. They don't just cap it, you know. Well, they cap it, but it's like $100,000 or something like that. So thank you, James. Let's go, helpful. Yeah, I mean, take profit trader is great. Yeah, they're moving you to Pro Plus too, right? To their live, helpful. You're gonna enter the Tradeify competition. Yeah, that's another cool thing, guys. Like if you join if you get a Tradeify account right now with code PINE, you can enter in for the Tradeify competition and potentially win some nice prizes. So I'm just watching here. I'm not really seeing anything at the moment. I'm being patient. I just need 150 bucks past this. Up 180 right now, right off the rip, trading just a few micros. So yeah, Pro Plus is sweet. So yeah, if you get to Pro Plus and take Profit Trader, it's 90-10 split. So every time you get a daily payout, it's, you know, you get 90% of it, not the 80-20, which is huge. Huge. Oh, 100% helpful. That's my goal as well. Same thing. You get 5. Say you have 5 Take Profit Trader accounts. You have 3 trade day accounts with daily payouts, all at daily payout zone. Yeah, you could change your life big time. And it don't take much. Like, even if you're just trading micros for the day and you're making 50, 100 bucks on each account, you know, you start making 1,000 bucks a day right into your bank account. That's where it's at. The Pro Plus concierge, you get answers so quick. Yeah, and that is a big deal because sometimes the customer service is not the fastest. How come no one really hypes trade day? Yeah, they're not really the cool kid, you know? They're not really a cool kid. But yeah, if you guys are interested in trade day, it's, you see it right in the chat, it's Pine with a capital P. So I got trade day going right now. I got 2 of them passed. I got a payout with them. Jeez, it's been a little while. It's been a hot minute. I haven't really been focusing on them either. Yeah, I got to pay it with them. Let's see. I made a video about it. Yeah, right here. So if you guys are interested in trade day, there's a little video I made, just the trade day payout process. It's just 2 minutes long. What's up, Sports Don? Good to see you, man. Watching gold here. Kind of breaking a little bit of a bull flag here. It's pretty interesting. It's trying anyway. See if we can break out of this bull flag here. Been crazy local sporting events. Kansas Jayhawks, Kansas City Chiefs. Oh, let's go, Sports Done. Yeah, busy season. Breaking news: Trump said South Korea agreed to pay $350 billion. Huh. This week has been 1.K Monday, 5.K Tuesday, 5.K Tuesday. Holy cow, helpful. Let's go. Corey, the phone trader in the house. Cave trader, yeah, Naz is nasty Naz, right? Full port pine at it again. A little bit, yeah. I accidentally clicked the. Accidentally was in the mini. Now I'm kind of like regretting it a little bit, but. Full port is the way. I know. Well, DCA with the micros. DCAing with the micros with the mini. That was a pretty bullish candle. Kind of started to break out of that bull flag. I was hoping to get a little more momentum out of it, but didn't really get it. Get up there. Yeah, a little choppy for sure. Yeah. What's up, Red? Key Money, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate you. Full port is the way, not investment advice. Exactly. Double or nothing, Zaid? Absolutely. Let's go, TMK. Yeah, so it is hard to enter when you're already full port. Exactly. It's hard to DCA when you're already full port. Come on, NasDaq. You know you want to go up. It's all it's been doing for the last few months. Price action's trash right now, for sure. Gold kind of pushing up higher. Oh, come on. Nasty Nas. I mean, he's just putting in a kind of a bull flag, but again. All right, now push it up through. NasDaq's trying to hold this 26,200 level. I don't know. Hopefully the bottom doesn't fall out. Starting to feel like it, but it's just right now it's just choppy sideways mess. Sitting right on the VWAP. Upside on gold looks decent. It does, yeah. It's pushing higher. Pushing higher. Looks like it's kind of breaking a little bit of a structure too. FSB, thank you so much for the sub. I'm being edged by NasDaq. Yeah, I am too. Yeah, I'm being edged. Yo, Michael Bene, what is up? Let's go. You're long. Let's go. I feel like I'm like trying to get a payout here. Like I'm like this close to getting the payout, but I'm just trying to pass this trade day account. I think it's because these trade day accounts are so hard because that 30% consistency you gotta do. Just give me like 10 points. Hourly's pushing. Let's go. Kind of wish I was in the gold. Kind of wish I was in the gold long. Gold looking pumping. Gold pumping. 39, 58, 80 on gold. Looking for NasDaq to break this little flag here. So I'm long 1 mini and 4. I think that should about get it past if I can just break it. Well, rejecting again. But still just kind of putting in that bull flag. Maybe this will do it now. We can pop that 210. Should be able to get to the 13, 15s to the 20s. And get over that 210, but I don't know. It's a 5-minute inside bar as well. There we go. Come on, let's get that pop. Don't do that. That was kind of nasty. Sorry, I haven't been looking at chat, guys. I'm just focusing on this trade. I'm clenching over here. I got full clench going on. It's full clench. My glutes are getting tired. Full clench and the full port. That's right. What's up, Coach HID? Let's go, Cation. Watching the old dough and the food plot, that's so relaxing. So awesome. Waiting for the big buck to come out, huh? Come on, get up there. Do it for the stream. All right, it's breaking that bull flag now. Just need a little bit more of a push. You gotta be kidding me. Wow. Really? Yeah, it's just chopping that VWAP. It's just above that VWAP, just chopping. Gone right sideways. All the money's in gold, I'm telling you. All the money's trading gold right now. NasDaq's just not moving. Till, you know, New York. That's nasty. Damn it. Alright, I'm closed out. Oh, that's frustrating. That's so frustrating. Oh well. It is what it is. What's up, Peter? Yeah, I mean, it was... It'll probably go now, but now that it's swept. But, like, man... I was a little bit over leveraged, to be honest with you. So down at 180. God, that missed me by 2 points, 3 points. Yeah, Zaid. 363 for 100k straight to funded through Tradeify is looking awfully nice right now when I'm trying to pass this stupid eval. You know? Oh, I hate evals sometimes. It's all good. What's up, Digital Nukes? Full tilt in the house. Yeah, code Pine for Tradeify. Appreciate that. Full tilt. Yeah, I really appreciate that, guys. Great deal going right now. Like I said, if you guys are just tuning in, 45% off, 25, 50Ks, and 100Ks Tradeify accounts. You can also enter in on the Tradeify competition, the tournament as well. So that'll be sweet. Well, inside bar action on gold. Got an order placed in on gold. Try again, maybe. Try the inside bar break. Short gold. Nice fill on it too. Yeah, Vince, this is trade day. Yeah, this is a trade day eval I'm trying to pass. I was just so close to passing it just a minute ago. Now I'm back in the red, but this is all good. Get down there. NQ's moving back up. Ah, NQ's just aggravated me. Ah, it's just so, it's so sideways. Yeah, it's just right on that VWAP, just chilling. See if we can get the gold flush here. Maybe gold puts in a a lower high here. It's looking pretty good for that. So we're in the micros. The gold off the inside bar break to the downside, and then looking at the overall structure, it looks pretty good too. So we'll give it a shot. We're gonna stop at 248 bucks. Is what it is. Let it rip. Tight cheeks, Tony? Yeah, for sure. Let's go. 1800 in an Apex 300k eval. Let's go. Those are so tough to pass, but you can do it. I've done it before. Not easy to do. The 250ks and the 300ks are tough. But yeah, just take your time with it. Not financial advice, but yeah, just take your time. No, 20% consistency. I'm not a fan either so much, Zaid, but I mean, that's still a lot of money per day. If you, I don't know exactly what it is, but like for a 150k, it's 1,800 bucks a day. If you want to stay in the consistency, which I just did with Lucid. And you know the funny thing is, my largest payouts ever have come from 20% consistency accounts. So weird. I think what it is, it keeps me from over trading. When I have no consistency and I'm up, you know, pretty good, I'm just like, all right, maybe I can get a little more. Maybe I can get a little more, and then end up blowing the account or doing something stupid in the afternoon, which is never fun. Let's go gold. Push down here. Just looking for a little 1-to-1 on the gold. $1,200 on a 100k Zaid, yeah. Do a TPT Pro, yeah. Me too, Chris. Gold only goes up, I know. So does the NasDaq. But although gold has been, I mean, if it's kind of, if you look at the pattern, if it sticks with this pattern, we're looking pretty good. But yeah, I hear you. Gold tends to only go up. So does the NasDaq. Except when I'm long NasDaq. Alright, gold, let's do a little flush. Little cliff. Come on. Hands off. I'm just gonna let it do what it's gonna do. Yeah, if I already didn't have 5 Tradeify accounts right now, I would be picking up some of those Lightning accounts myself, to be honest. If I already have 5 funded. Go down, don't be shy, I know. Gold goes in the opposite direction on how I trade it. Yeah, it definitely can. You're better off buying the dips, selling the rips, right? With gold, most of the time, it's usually moving the opposite the way I think. I understand exactly what you're saying. I understand exactly what you're saying. NasDaq's not doing anything. It's just gone completely sideways. Well, gold only goes up. Stopped out on that. So, yeah, digging myself into a hole now. NasDaq's not moving. So, I guess we'll sit on our hands. Go against yourself, win every time, I know. Thumper, yeah, 8 to 10% consistency rule. I know we want to make like 150% in a day on our little accounts, for sure. Oh. So you know, looking at gold here. Kind of broke structure there. It is kind of is pumping up now. We took the inside bar break. It paid a little bit, but I was looking for more of a 1-to-1. Perhaps playing my P&L a little bit. But yeah, then it just kind of broke another bull flag here. And it's just breaking out. So, oh well. I was kind of hoping it. I mean, I still could put it in a higher low here, or a lower high. I was mix that up. Could still, but. Big rejection there on gold. It literally touched my TP down there and then didn't fill. I knew something bad was going to happen. Oh, always. Yeah, you get kicked right in the tick. Yeah, always that happens. Guys, if you guys do me a favor, smash that like button. I know we're not doing a giveaway tonight, but if you could please smash the like button, I really appreciate it. Help the YouTube algorithm out. Push it through. So there's the Tradeify accounts. They're looking pretty decent. So I got 5 going. Made 500 bucks on them today. Not bad on all 5. So I just started them this week. I didn't even trade them yesterday. And so yeah, it's up 500 bucks. So good start so far. Four trades, 500 bucks. It'd be really sweet to get all 4 of those, 5 of those to pay out Tradeify. It's been a hot minute since I've had a Tradeify payout, so I'd love to take all 5 of them to the bank. And Lucid still looking good as well. Take Profit Trader, I didn't even trade today. I have 2 or 3. Actually, I gotta flip an account actually. Flip this account. God, I was $150 away from passing this account. Now I'm down 432. So I gotta be a little careful not to get tilty. Because 400 bucks is nothing during New York, but right now to try to make that back, it's not easy. So I gotta be a little careful. I do not want to blow these accounts. It sucks. Trade day passing an eval for 5 days, 30% consistency kind of sucks. So don't want to really blow it, but it is what it is. Just signing into my Take Profit Trader accounts. So I can flip that account. Mustafa, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate you. Oh, I don't have to flip it. They passed me today. Nice. Well, I guess I have 3 pro accounts now. Sweet. So let's see. I thought I had one more day to flip on that, but I guess not. Well, NasDaq's trying to break down off that inside bar, but is it really gonna go? Is NasDaq really gonna go? Let's check it out. So a little inside bar on NasDaq, but the VWAP is literally sitting right here. I don't know why. There we go. This is the VWAP. just breaking down below it. I'm gonna short NasDaq. Risking 220. Booger metal? Yeah, I was just in a gold short there, and I just got stopped out. But yeah, we're just kind of breaking that bull flag now. Looks like it wants to break up to the upside. Yo, TJP in the house. What is up? Why TPT over trade day? Mainly because of the eval. And you can request anything over your buffer. For trade day, you have to request a minimum of 250 bucks. So you have to be over $250 in your buffer to request. Trade day, anything over 2,000, like on a 50K, you can request. So that's two things I like about him. But I do like trade day a lot as well. So. Swing short to the gap. Yeah, that'd be nice. How about the big open gap from Sunday night, right? Where's that? Sitting way down here. Wouldn't that be a nice short? On a TPT Pro account or something, right? Pro Plus account. Oh yeah, so then trade day has an advantage, right, Zaid? So the trade day has an advantage where they have end of day accounts and static accounts. So where take profit trader is intraday during the pro account. Yeah, gold looking bullish. Boy, NasDaq's just nasty. Look at these candles. Look at the wicks. It's like a porcupine. I mean, it's just... This is nasty. I don't know why I'm trading it. I guess because I feel like I should trade something while I'm streaming. But, like... This is nasty. What's up, Darwin? Yeah, it stops after the buffer. Yeah, GG, for sure. Yeah, I mean, I think... So with Take Profit Trader Pro accounts, I like to squash that buffer, like, right off the rip. Usually on day one, I like to wait for something, like a nice price movement, and I usually squash it. But, and then you don't have to worry about the intraday. But yeah. But with the Take Profit Trader, the end of day accounts is sweet. That's what I'm working on right now. These end of days. So if I buy Take Profit trade day accounts, I'm buying the end of day accounts. And then Take Profit Traders, they don't have a choice, but Mustafa and Q this week, bad thing. Yeah, it's been tricky. $2K puffer. Oh yeah, right, Zaid. Yeah, the trading desk. Futures desk. Yeah, but their TV show sucks, so. I'm just kidding. I'm just... There's a $100 minimum per withdrawal. Okay, nice. Hey, what chip? You want a short too? Good luck to you, sir. Yeah, hasn't worked out too well tonight. I went from being $150 away from passing this to down $434. So luck is not on my side. I literally was 2 points from passing, and then it rug pulled me. Hindsight, I wish I probably should have just held it because it hasn't moved. So when you squash a buffer, how much size do you usually put on to do so? Yeah, so I made a video about it the other day. A little short video. I think I was in 2 minis. I wonder if I talked about that. But I usually use minis. You know, one to two minis. I like to add to it. Simple. You don't need 4-hour time frames. You don't need to fair value. Yo guys, yo guys, yo, what's up everyone? It is time. Friday, 10/17. I got a daily payout. Day 1. Show you the trade. So you can see right here, 100% root trades. Losing trades. Sweet, right? Here's the trade. Market goes up at the open, and turning this outside bar, we rejected the high, push back down to this outside bar. We go low, 24,700. When I see those big fat low numbers, I tend to take and target those. Off of the 2 minis, we'll get down just below that 700 target, and we are out for $2,368. Yeah, so I made a short video. I'll put it in the. So yeah. So this was a trade I took the other day with Take Profit Trader. Oh, look at that NasDaq. Alright, I'm not trading this account anymore tonight. I'm not trading this account anymore tonight. What the Oh. Well, I say that, but I should have just held on to that long, right? There must have been some sort of news candle there, huh? Selling that pop. Ran 50% of that wick. Let's see if we get a little pullback. Let's go. Give me 21. 221. I'm playing Smash or Pass now. Possibly putting in an inside bar here. Alright, we'll close that out. We made a little bit of money on that. We'll see what this inside bar does. What was that news? Was there any news there? Let's look. Yeah, this news was earlier. OpenAI IPO could value. Not really seeing anything. Just a big buyer coming, I guess. Going heavy today? Yeah, Smash Pass now. I had enough trying to trade those micros at the beginning, so let's go, Michael. Nice trade. Does Take Profit Trader have consistency rule, or do they have... So there's no consistency rules once you're funded with Take Profit Trader. There is a 50% consistency rule during the eval stage. I don't know what this pump was. Whew. Use the big seller. Let's go. All right. So what I was looking at, we filled 50% of this giant wick here. So we pulled back, and then I hopped in on that short. I went in heavy, but I was actually thinking we'd pull back a little bit quicker, but we didn't. Made around 280 bucks on that trade, but I'm looking right now at this inside bar. Let's see what that does. But with no news on that pump, it feels like you want to fade it, right? I'm back short. Fading it. Break up that inside bar. Bang. It's quick 200 bucks there. Quick 10 points. It's down 220 now. Headed right back down towards that VWAP. Oh, Trump's touring Asia. Yeah, that could be something like that. Something on an earnings call. Oh, good call there, OC Dog Trainer. Yeah, good call there. So a little inside bar break there. Hopped in a little early. It just kind of felt like that pump didn't mean much, but so back in the game here. What did gold do on that? Nothing. Really weird. ES. A little pump on the ES as well. Even Dow pumped. So even the YM pumped. But pulling right back to the VWAP. Maybe this is the catalyst to bring us lower. Maybe that was the pump. Maybe that was it. So tough. We probably just bounce off VWAP here and take a trade with confidence. Yeah, I mean it was a little. I was feeling a little FOMO, but you know it isn't just an eval. This shit is fun. It is fun. When you get stuff like that, it is fun. When it's going sideways like this is not fun. We are going to eat back this whole move, I bet. A little bounce off the VWAP. Boy, if the VWAP wasn't sitting right here, I'd probably try another short and try to see if we take back this whole move, because I don't know what that was. And anytime you get a move, like a big candle, and you don't, and it's not, even data candles, it likes to test it, right? So even like a data candle, a news candle, something that likes to go back and test it. But yeah, just kind of putting it in a higher, lower high at the moment. Gold, what's gold up to? Gold's just kind of grinding higher at the moment. When gold does this, sometimes what I'll do is I'll just close my eyes, wait for a little pullback, like on a trend line, and I'll just hop in and just kind of ride it for a few points, you know. Especially if you need to just make like $100 or something for a to get a traded day in. A lot of these props you just gotta make like $100 or whatever. I like to do that sometimes. A lot of people use the 9 EMA to do that. They look at it on like a 9. So here's like a 9 EMA, and they'll just wait for a pullback. When you get a trending market on the 5-minute chart, a lot of times what you can do is just put a 9 EMA up, and then you can look for little bounces off the 9. And as you see, like on this 5-minute chart, it's just bouncing, 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 bouncing. You can look for little scalps off it, you know. place this, if you enter, you could just place a stop below it, so that way if it does decide to rug pull you, you have your stop below. But yeah, that's just a little tip. If you get like a slow grinding market, especially in the afternoons, even with NQ, you just throw the 9 up there and ride that wave. What's up, John? Gold Grinder Dave, let's go. Thank you so much for the sub. Nope, there's NasDaq. So yeah, so kind of probably what we're thinking. This might actually go, right? That might have been the catalyst, that little fake pump up. Love to hop in short here, but I'd love it to pull back to the VWAP or so, at least, before I'd hop in short. Indices are a joke, stick with gold. I know. Has been lately, right? Yeah, gold just kind of broke out of those bull flags and just been grinding higher at the moment. But yeah, now NasDaq's moving. Came back, touched that 9 again, or close to that 9. I'm gonna hop in short here on the nasty Nas. I'm probably gonna DCA into it if it goes against me. We'll see if it actually rug pulls. Also keep an eye on gold. I got an eye on gold on the other screen here. Deep Amazon Sounds. Let's go. Thank you so much for the sub. Think it'll hit 4K by morning. Gold? I don't know. It could. I think it could hit 4K Tokyo Open. It could rip up there. But right now there's just no volume. You can see the volume just dying off. And yeah, it's kind of just waiting for that Tokyo Open at the moment. So I'm into 3 micros right now. I'd hop in a mini, but I felt like I'm chasing a little bit, so I'm willing to average in. That's the polite way of saying DCA, or adding to my loser. You click buy and it dumps? Yeah, that's what happened to me earlier. You looking for a long on gold? Let's go. Good luck. I gotta order a pad to go, a foot pad. All right, gold. I mean, NasDaq, do your thing. Gold's looking a little roundy right now. We'll see. Let me try it. Trying to buy on gold. Very tight stop. If it breaks down below that 9, then we'll get stopped out. But kind of touching that 9 here. So we need NasDaq to drop. We need there we go. This is a drop on NasDaq. Need gold to pump a little. She trades. What is up? Use the 9. Yeah, when you get that trending market, it's nice to throw that up on your chart. JLD in the house. Oh, gold's finally breaking the 9, huh? Of course. Push down. Push it down. Get down. Stop that on gold. Gold pulling back a little bit. Got about 15 minutes before the Tokyo Open. Yeah, it's below the 9 now. Yeah, for sure. Crypto King. Yeah, gold pulling back a little bit. NasDaq trying to work its way back to the VWAP. Get back towards the VWAP. I'm gonna add in on the short. I just got a horrible fill. I just tried to mark it in on gold, and I just got absolutely horrible fill. That's not good. That ain't good. I'm just gonna close out this gold trade. I got a horrible fill. I tried to mark it in right there, right around 356. I mean 956. And literally as soon as I clicked the button, it was down here like 53. So I just closed it out. NasDaq trying to push back up here. Back short on NasDaq. Gold getting a little bounce here off from 351. Playing around with the micros now. Yo, Wes, what is up? I did survive the madness. Yeah, I had all my accounts locked up for the FOMC, Wes. So yeah, I had all my funded accounts locked up, which is a good thing. Gold getting a little bit more of a bounce here. Trying to get this account passed, but it's not looking good. I don't think it's going to happen tonight. Put in a nice harami candle for the break it to the upside. All right, pushing up higher here. Swept the low. Now it's pushing back up higher. Trying to DCA in, but it's not working. Ripping higher. Well, it looks like this account's gonna blow here. And there goes that account. That account's gone. Oh well. Feels bad. Nice thumper. Yeah, nice. What's up, CT Clutch? Kabooshed. I got kabooshed on it. Let's see. It's like it never even happened. Brand new account. It's like it never even happened. All right, let's see. Let's see what we can do. Why am I tilting? It's not tilt. Nah, I don't care about evals. I smash or pass evals. Yeah, that's just the way I do it. All right, let's see. We got gold here. Kind of pushing up. Let's see. NasDaq still pushing up. So we had this big boner candle. There's some sort of catalyst or news that pumped this. And then we pulled back the whole thing. And then we pumped right back up. So we'll see. We could actually pump even higher. I mean, looking at the kind of breaking this area here. Oops. So we'll try to hit 30% consistency on this. 900. Oops, 9,000. Liquidate. Have a little inside bar on gold here, but I'm gonna wait till the Tokyo Open here. Yeah, that could be it, Spaces, where we had a little bit of news. Little headline news coming out. Oh, it's on Financial Juice? Nice. Oh, yeah, but that was, oh, you know, this might be it right here. That might have been that Trump, that pump. Because that candle was actually after that, I believe. And then we had this one. The OpenAI aims for an IPO filing. I mean, I guess that could have popped the market a little bit, but I don't know. It popped and then immediately pulled back, so. We got a few minutes before the market opens. The Tokyo market, the Asia market. Let's see. That was supposed to be 5 micros. Whoops. I was looking to short back into this VWAP with 5 micros, but I accidentally I'm in 5 minis and it immediately went against me. Of course. Well, it looks like I'll lose $100 bill, another $100 bill. That sucks. We were kind of rejecting that 44 level. Put in this Harami here, and I went to go short. should just get out, but it literally immediately went against me. So it looks like I'm starting tomorrow with 2 past trade day accounts, which is nice, but I was hoping I had 3, but we just blew that last one, and this one might get reset as well. All right, that's it for me, guys. Yeah, that's it for me. That sucks. I was looking to go 5 micros into that, and it immediately went against me. Asia Open. Oh well. We'll start another one, but not tonight. Pumping higher. What's gold up to? Gold getting a little pump. Little NasDaq push. For the stream. Trying to break that high a day here. Gold also pushed in here. Might try to play for the little breakout on gold here. I think we get some unfinished business up there. Got some price gaps sitting up above. Ugh. Gold trying to push higher here. So we got some. You can't see it on the DOM. There's a bunch of like open gaps in price from the open. I think we do fill those up towards the 39.76.20. Well, so not bad. I've only spent 200 bucks this week on accounts, so 2 tonight, so not too bad. Got a $3,000 payout this week, so not the end of the world. It was a little unfortunate. I mean, I was only like 150 bucks away from passing that account, but should have waited for the little pullback down here to the 966. Kind of fill that gap first. Then we might possibly pop off that. What's NasDaq doing? NasDaq still mooning? Oh, pulling back a little bit on NasDaq. Little wick test there at let's see, 48. See you later, Mo, bro. Sorry I didn't see you guys. I'll see you, Fred. Nice thumper. It's always nice to be trailing your stop in profit. That's always a good feeling. Gold, possibly inside bar on gold. NasDaq wanting to push higher. Taking a long on NasDaq. Trying to break this inside bar. Ripping higher here. Nice inside bar break. Got a runner going. Alright, stopped out on the runner. So yeah, just a little pop off that inside bar. There. Gold's not looking good at the moment. Still long gold. Gold's pulling back here. Did pretty much fill that gap on that 5-minute candle, so maybe we get a little pop above. That'll be good. See if you guys see. I'll show you. You see that? Yeah. So yeah, so we got all these like price gaps up here. It does love to fill these. You don't know when, but it does like to fill these, and we are moving higher. I mean, it's overall bullish, so I'm looking to target this area here for these price gaps. Cause just kind of, it was moving so fast at the open that it like skipped over them, you know. So the market loves to repair that stuff. What's up, Raylan? Project X's ass kept all my shit. What kept what? It didn't get repaired. What's up, Sherry? Nice thumper. They gave you an eval. Oh, which company? So I got most of all my fundeds fixed. Tradeify fixed mine. Lucid was all fixed. So that was nice. NasDaq continuing to pump. NasDaq's going. Oh, you know what it's going for? It's going for this data candle probably, huh? Up in there. Possibly. Long gold still. Looking for a high a day. In the micros and a mini at this moment. Oh, top step, yeah. Oh wow, Raylan, that's some bullshit. Yeah, that sucks. Holy cow, 8K in profit? That's crazy. Oh really? Really, JLD 54? No kidding. Yeah, I didn't have an issue with my trade day. Alright, getting that gold pump here. Looking for high a day. Got an email saying eval coming soon. Yeah, all I got an email from Trade Day saying that they're gonna give enough points to reset an account. So let's go. Let's pump that high a day here. What's NasDaq doing? Is NasDaq still pumping? Pulling back on NasDaq a little bit. All right, there. I'll have 800 on this account now. So I had to reset two. I did pass two of them today. I reset one. I was $150 away from passing. I blew it. Pretty much it just hit consistency. $900 consistency. If you want to pass the 50Ks in 5 days, you got to stay under 30% consistency. So just hit that nice gold trade and that nice NasDaq trade to the upside. Basically off that inside bar on the NasDaq, and then on the gold, just looking at the price structure, and like I said earlier, when you see open orders sitting on the books, not open orders, but you know what I'm saying, where the price didn't get filled from the open, it loves to target those. So it's just a little nuance. And so once the gold looked really bullish, I ended up just hopping in along there. We pulled back a little bit to the 9. I hopped in on a few more micros and headed up. So yeah, just about consistency on that. So 800 bucks. So I have to trade this account for 5 more days, which is unfortunate. Losing that other account, I did not want to lose it. But overall, it's been a pretty good week so far. I've spent $200 on resets and accounts this week, and I've gotten a $3,000 payout. So it's a good week so far for me. I'm really trying not to keep my expenses low when it comes to buying accounts. So a little unfortunate. I have a lot of accounts to work with. I still have 5 funded Tradeify accounts. I have 3 Take Profit Trader accounts to work with, 2 Trade Day accounts to work with, and then I have 3 Lucid accounts currently to work with. And 1 Belanox master account to work with. So yeah, so pretty good. And I'm actually working towards another lucid payout for another 3,000, so could be a good start to next month. So yeah. So overall, I mean, it sucks losing that account, but the way I kind of look at it is I lost 200 bucks, right? That's what sucks. But it's not the Monopoly money you see on the screen, you know. But yeah, nice moves there. Did I get points? JLD? I don't know. Let me check. I don't think so. I just figured out that we had points, which is funny. I don't know where I see my points. So yeah, really crappy trading to start the stream. Well, actually, we started the stream, and I made some good trades. It's kind of a theme with me. It's been this way where if I trade micros, I overtrade. I just overtrade with the micros. And that's what I was $150 away from passing that account. And yeah, and then I ended up blowing it. But it's just like, and then I started reset, and then I tried it, and I don't know. I was in NQ. I thought I was in MNQ, and it would have been a bad trade anyway. It went completely against me. The market opened, Tokyo opened. We put in this little harami here, and I was kind of thinking that we would just push right back down into this 9 VWAP or something. So I hopped in with what I thought was 5 micros, and literally it was 5 minis, and it literally jumped on the Tokyo Open, and I was down 900 bucks. And at that point, I was just like, ugh. I figured I'd just hold it and maybe get a little lucky, and sure enough, I did not get lucky. So NasDaq continued to push higher here, 26,300. But yeah, I mean, that was a pretty poor trading. I fully admit that to start there. So NQ still pumping. Anyone using Aqua Futures? I have not. Yeah, they're too new for me, Trader 11. To be honest, I got nothing against them. I'm not gonna use them yet. There's been two prop firms that gone bankrupt this year so far, so I'm just kind of like the newer ones. I try to wait a little bit to let them get established. I want to see some payouts coming from some of my subscribers, and I haven't quite heard anything about them yet. So let's go, JLD 54. Yeah, Bulenox. Yeah, Bulenox, use code PINE. Yeah, pretty slow this month. I mean, most people, they had that 75% off, which is weird, and the 83% off, but they had 75% off on the option 2s, and it's tough because you have to put in 2 passwords. So right now, Pine 75 for Bulenox option 2s, which is the end of day accounts. So it's Pine 75. But normally it's Pine for all the other prop firms. Which two? It was Thrive. So Thrive Trading was one, and the other one was Let me find it. I don't want to say the wrong prop firm. Who was the other one that went out of business? It was started with a P, I thought. Coach Fred, you already funded with Aqua? Let's go. Fred's my test pilot. Fred tests out all my no, he tests them all out. Who was that? Who's the other company that went out of business? It was Thrive, and then there was one started with a P, right? Top Step is the best. They're good. Yeah, they're pretty good. I don't think they're the best right now. I think the competition is creeping up with like My Funded Futures right now with the you basically you can make it's cheaper, and you can get the same 50% payout basically, and you only need to trade for 5 days of $100 or more, where Top Step's $150 or more, and the accounts are $72, where Top Step's a lot more money. But I got nothing against them either. I like them. I trade with them. Precision. Yeah, it might have been Precision. I knew it started with a P, right? Profit Trade. Yeah, Fast Track was definitely Fast Track. Yeah. Profit Trade. Oh, thanks, John Cotter. Yeah, I don't know about. I want Fred to get a payout with Aquaman, and then we'll see what happens. I spent $650 on resetting a TPT Pro and then blew it on the same day. Oh, I've done that too. Helpful. Yeah, I mean, I've definitely have reset accounts. I love Take Profit Trader, Raylan. Yeah. You have a free trade day reset? Let's go. Jose Cuervo in the house. What is going on? So yeah, Methodical, if you're listening, I think you're listening, lurking in the background. Yeah, no, the trade day competition is not looking good. It's not looking good. It's not blown. It's not blown, but it's not looking good. I have a hole to dig myself out of. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna call it there. Sorry about the poor trading earlier. I thought that was very poor. Apologize for that. It's not a good example. But it's all good, right? I got nothing to hide from you guys. Hey, John, hey, you know, I'm going for that win. I'm going for that win. You missed it, Pegasus? Oh, I was $150 away from passing the trade day, and then kind of went, you know, I went parabolic with my sizing. I got pretty frustrated. A little FOMO, a little tilty, a little this and that. Yeah, I haven't been trading well until Asia, basically. Until the Asia Open, I've been trading much better. I've been doing that on my own personal side too, because like I get smoked on stream, and then literally I go and I eat dinner, I come back, I start trading some gold in the evening and during Asia, and then I have to make it back. That's what I've been doing lately. Coach Fred, yeah, you blew a trade day that was $100 away. Yeah, I don't know. It's frustrating. I say it every single day, which is funny. I was just like, I hate evals. I keep saying it. But right now, 45% off straight to funded accounts with Tradeify. Use code PINE. 25K, 50Ks, and 100Ks. Ends tomorrow. Or ends Halloween, actually, 31st. Yeah, ends 31st, Friday. If you hate evals, like I do. But I already have 5 Tradeify accounts. And they were evals, too. I passed them. 5 50K growth accounts. Passed them last week. So... NasDaq looking like it's trying to pull back. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it there. I'm gonna go eat some dinner, chill out. Hit the profit target pretty much on this account, which is nice. Hopefully I'll have 3 trade day accounts by the end of next week. I got 2 passed, which is sweet. And I'm really looking forward to getting some daily payouts coming in. So hopefully we'll work on that. Guys, if you can do me a favor, smash that like button, hit the dislike button, whatever you want to do. But yeah, I appreciate the support. And yeah, if you guys are trading with Take Profit Trader, a lot of you guys said that is your favorite prop firm. Please use code PINE with Take Profit Trader. I haven't quite hit the bonus yet. I'm really close. I'm hoping to I gotta hit the bonus by the end of the month. Then I'll have some 150K accounts to give away on stream, which will be sweet. Check out my website. It's right there in the chat. Thank you so much, guys, for being here and supporting the stream. Use code PINE. Except with trade day, it's PINE with a capital P for trade day. So, appreciate y'all. And trade safe the rest of the night. And we'll do it again tomorrow. Tomorrow's like my Friday night, so hopefully I get those. If you guys pick up a few Take Profit Trader accounts, not telling you to pick up any, but if you do, then hopefully we'll have some accounts to give away tomorrow night, which will be sweet. We kind of be like our Halloween type giveaway stream, so maybe we'll do some zombie races or something. That'd be fun. And I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Later. Stay tuned for the outro. Peace.
I'm on a mission, the market's my canvas. Pine tree trader, that's the name, no need for the panic. Got my screens lit, watching the price move. Every tick, every chart, I'm in my groove. See an inside bar, that's a sign of a pause. The market's holding its breath, it's a break from the laws. Squeeze it up tight, coiling for a big move. I'm patient, I'm watching, got nothing to prove. Wait for the break, above or below. That's when I hit the gas, watch the profit grow. Apex funding on the line, my account's legit. Passing these challenges, ain't no time to quit. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From Pine Tree Trader to Take Profit, we're on a roll. Tradeify's the platform, we're in full control. Now let's talk about the outside bar, it's a different scene. It's a power move, a sign of something keen. Engulfing the last one, showing dominance balance and might. The bears or the bulls, they're winning the fight. It's a reversal signal or a continuation of the trend. Gotta read the context all the way to the end. I'm with Take Profit Trader, they've got my back, giving me the capital, keeping me on track. No more small accounts, no more holding back. I'm a funded trader, there's no turning back. My trades are clean, my risk is tight. I'm living this life, shining so bright. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From Pine Tree Trader to Take Profit, we're on a roll. Tradify's the platform, we're in full control. Tradify's the engine, the charts are crisp and clean. Executing orders, a trading machine. Got my stops in place, my targets set high. Pine Tree Trader strategy, under the market sky. This ain't a gamble, it's a calculated art. Every setup I see, I'm playing my part. Yeah, Pine Tree Trader, Apex, Take Profit, Tradify. We're in the game, you can't deny. From inside to outside, we're ruling the charts, building our wealth, breaking hearts. Peace out. Yeah, Pine Tree Trader, Apex, Take Profit, Tradify. We're in the game, you can't deny. From inside to outside, we're ruling the charts, building our wealth, breaking hearts. Peace out.
Tradify's the engine, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. Yeah. From Pine Tree Trader to Take Profit, we're on a roll.
Tradify's the platform, we're in full control. Tradify's the engine, the charts are crisp and clean. Executing orders, a trading machine. Got my stops in place, my targets set high. Pine Tree Trader, Take Profit, Tradify. We're in the game, you can't deny.